In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply filters with visibility graphics in Revit. We'll start right inside the active view. Open the visibility graphics dialog by pressing VG or VV on your keyboard. If you prefer menus, go to the View tab, then the graphics panel and choose visibility graphics. This dialog controls what you see in this specific view, so any changes you make here won't affect other views unless you repeat the process there. Next, switch to the Filters tab. This is where you manage view filters, powerful tools that let you visually distinguish elements based on parameters and rules. If the list looks empty or doesn't include what you need, that's okay. We're going to create a new one. Click Add to bring up the list of available filters. If the filter you want isn't listed, click Edit New to open the project's filters manager. Now click New Filter and give it a clear descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Choose the categories the filter should apply to, such as walls, doors, or ducts. Categories are important because the filter only affects the elements you select here. Now define the rules. For example, you might set a rule for walls where the fire rating parameter equals 2 hours, or for ducts where the system type or system classification, depending on your setup, equals supply. Keep an eye on whether your parameter is a type or instance parameter and use the right operator: equals, contains, or begins with. So the filter catches exactly what you intend. When you're done, close the manager to return to the Filters tab. Select your new filter from the list you added and make sure it's checked so it's active in this view. This is where the magic happens. Assign graphic overrides. You can change line colors, line weights, and line patterns. Apply halftone, or set transparency for filled elements. For example, you could make supply ducts blue with a dashed line, or highlight 2-hour rated walls in a bold red. These overrides apply only to the elements that meet your rules, keeping everything else untouched. Click OK to confirm. The filter now applies to this view. If you don't see changes, double check that elements in the view actually meet the rules and that you selected the correct categories. Consistent naming and clear rules make filters much easier to manage. And remember, the same filter can be added to other views anytime through the Filters tab, giving you a consistent visual language across your project.